Hello, welcome to GED exam preparation class. I am your host and instructor, Ruben Herrera. And in this video, we are going to learn how to do subtraction. Subtraction, my friends, just like with addition, we need to make sure that we align our numbers properly, based also on the place values. If you have an empty space right here, one of the things that you can do, and there's nothing wrong with that, you can actually write a 0 if you like. We can always fill empty spaces with zeros. Okay, in most cases. Okay, so when it comes to subtraction, well, when it comes to math in general, my friends, I cannot stress this enough. There are about 5 different ways to do an operation and to get to the same result. However, on this video, my friends, I'm going to show you what's the best way for me. That doesn't necessarily mean that that's the best way for you. I want you guys, if you guys already know a way to do your subtraction or any math problem that works for you and it gives you the result, the correct result, and the result that you want, by all means, please keep using that method. I'm just showing in this video what method is best for me. Okay, so let us go ahead and solve for subtraction. Once I write my numbers like this and that once they are properly aligned, I'm going to go ahead and do my solve for my subtraction. I have right here 3 minus 1 is equals to 2, and then right here 7 minus 2 is equals to 5. Great. Now, let us go into this one right here. This is the one that people love to hate because you have to borrow. You have to borrow from a number. Let me tell you how I do this. So for example, right here, one of the things that I like to do all my borrowing first. That way, all I have to do, I do my borrowing first, so that way when I start solving for my subtraction, all I have to do is solve for the subtraction. So let me tell you what I do. I know that 5 is not going to go right here into the 7, so we're going to have to add a 1. We always say that we need to add a 1, but actually in theory we add 10, or we add a 10th. Okay? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and turn this into 15. So this is going to be 15 now. Okay? And then this one right here, this 0 is not going to go into the 6. So we're going to add a 10 too. And then I can cross this and make a 9. Okay? And then borrow another one from here, from the 2. But this is what I do. Let me show you. I go ahead and do the whole enchilada. So instead of borrowing 1 from 0, because really I have 0 right here, so I cannot borrow anything from somewhere where there's nothing. So instead of borrowing from the 0, I'm going to go ahead and borrow from the whole 20. And what is 20 minus 1? Because I'm borrowing 1, this one right here. 20 minus 1 is equals to 19. So I wrote my 19 in here like this. So now all I have to do is do my subtraction. 15 minus 7 is equals to 8. 9 minus 6 is equals to 3. And 1 minus 0 is equals to 1. And I am done with my subtraction. And this is the way I do my subtraction. However, my friends, you do whichever way is best for you. You do you, boo. You do you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next lesson. Bye-bye.